one run, full margin, and withdraw. Waiting for the entry point. Profit of 57.4 USD. Now it's time to withdraw. It is time to withdraw. This is the real and this is demo account, as you can see. Real, demo. Yeah, time to withdraw now. As you can see, the amount is reflecting. So let me withdraw 100 USD, which is 12,410. Going to the Gmail, confirm the code. This is the code I'm going to paste the other side. Done. Waiting for the M-Pesa message. As you can see, it's here at the top. There's a delay, but I'm going to post the screenshot at the end of this video.